nothing I change about you, baby.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and I am back with an Aliexpress haul. It's a short one, but it's an Aliexpress haul, and it's a fall haul, okay? So, the reason I did this video separate from my next one that's going to be coming out, I have another Aliexpress video coming out, is because I want to do like a bougie Aliexpress video. So that the stuff that's coming in is more so bougie. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video. I had wore some of these items, so I will insert the picture on the side somewhere. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, fashion_nay. And yeah, let's get right into it. So first, I'm gonna start off with this cute jean jacket. I know you guys probably seen it floating around. I'm gonna put this on for you guys right now. It is super duper cute. I have worn this part like 3 times already. It is just so cute, different, and fashionable. So it just looks like this. And I know a lot of people, I see a lot of reviews and they be like, oh, my stuff took like a month or so to come in. Well, not to brag or anything, but my stuff don't take a month to come in because I'm a Diamond member. So my stuff takes like a week to 2 weeks to come in. I've been shopping with them since 2015. So this jacket, I believe it came in like 2 weeks right after I ordered it. Like it came in quick, like quick. But this is the first item, and I got this jean jacket in the small. So it just looks like this. The next thing is I'm going to move into the skirts. I have 3 pairs of skirts. You guys, this plastic little skirt is so freaking cute, but it's too small for me. I got this in a size small because I wanted to fit because I don't have a butt, but it's too small. So I'm gonna have to get this to my little cousin. But this is what this looks like. It's super duper cute. The part did come off, the little zipper ring. I could just add one on, but that's no problem. So I'm gonna give this away. The next thing is this cute little checker skirt. It's like a schoolgirl skirt, and it's super duper cute. This fits so freaking well. I will also insert the picture of the model because I have not worn this yet. And I believe I got this in size medium. I was like, I'm not going to get a small, and I'm glad I did because this fits so perfect. So I got this. The next thing is this, another pleather skirt, and y'all, it's crazy. Both of these skirts right here came from the same vendor, but I guess because of the material. This is super small, and this fits perfect. I mean, it's a little tight. Let me not lie. It's a little tight, but I can still fit it where so I can still move around. I can get a good 2 wears out of this. And I got this in a size small as well. So it just looks like this. I don't know. I feel like my lighting it's too dark. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Why didn't y'all tell me? Oh. The next thing is this cute little sparkly crop top shirt. It has a lot of detailing in it. So it has this little cutout right here. So the chest shows right here. And it has this lace up detailing right here. It is so freaking cute. I wore this in New York. So I would also insert a picture of me wearing this in New York. Okay, the fashion city. The next thing, I'm just going to move on to this accessory piece. And it's this tiny bag. This is a micro bag, but they got it labeled as a mini bag, and I didn't read the measurements, which I should have. I was very disappointed when I seen it come in because I thought it was the bigger one, the actual mini size. Y'all, what can I do with this? I'm about to get this to my niece. Like, I bought this to go with my bougie little dress that I got that you guys will see in the next video. But what can I do with this? I can't even put my room card up in here. I bought this for my vacation. I can't do nothing with this. Anywho, moving on. This next item is this shirt. These right here are reflected. The lighting is reflective. So, let me see. If I turn my light off. No, won't do because, yeah. But, yep, got this shirt. It just says rock more around the neck part, and right here it just says I am a hottie. super duper cute and fitted in the stretch. And I got this in a size medium. I have not worn this yet. I was trying to wear this one day, but makeup had got on it, so I had to take it off. So I haven't worn it yet. The next two things, I had got these cute little hats. I forgot the name of it, but y'all know these are in and stylish. I got red and burgundy. Welcome to Paris. Look how cute this hat is. Oh, thumbnail. Super duper cute. So I got the red and burgundy one. I will be ordering some more colors and the one with the pearls on it. So that's that. And the last item is this cute overall dress. Is this a dress or is it a skirt? Yeah, it's a skirt. It is super duper cute though. It's black and white and it has gold detailing going around here, and it also has like gold little pearl for detailing right there. It is super duper cute, y'all. It is so freaking cute. I was like, I can wear this with a cute white button-up shirt or black and some some high boots. This is super cute, and I got this in a size small. So that was it for this AliExpress haul. Very short, but that was my little fall haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.